What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's tutorial on how to download BeamNG Drive on your PC or laptop. So, if you want to play BeamNG Drive on your PC or laptop, just follow these steps and you are able to play this game on your computer, PC or laptop. As you can see, I'm at Google browser and tick in the browser BeamNG Drive. And there it is. Click on it. And as you can see, you can go to the official Game Maker's website, the BeamNG website. You can also scroll a little bit down and go to the Steam link. That is what we will do. And after that, you will arrive at this overview. As you can see, this is a kind of simulation racing game. And you can also crash vehicles and check out some videos on this page. Check also out the screenshots. Maybe read some information, and after that we need to scroll down all the way, and as you can see, there are some system requirements to download and play this game on your PC or laptop. As you can see, you need to meet these requirements to be able to play this game. If you don't meet these requirements, then you are not able to play this game on your PC or laptop. After that, you can also scroll back up, and there you can see the BeamNG Drive. Click on it, now add it to your cart, and after that you can click on View My Cart, and now you can continue to payment to download and play this game. You need to log into your account on Steam, and after that you are able to play it. Hopefully this video tutorial was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!